Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. US dollar index clings to gains above 96.00. http ntvforex.com news ID 34FE7B. 58 minutes ago. By Pablo Piovano. DXY manages well to keep business above the 96.00 mark. US retail sales, Philly Fed index expanded above estimates. Business inventories, NAHB index, tick flows coming up next. The US dollar index DXY, which gauges the buck versus a bundle of its main rivals, is trading on a positive note above the 96.00 mark following the opening bell in Wall St on Thursday. US dollar index looks to risk trends. The index is up for the first time after 4 daily pullbacks in a row on Thursday on the back of the resumption of some cautiousness among traders as well as profit-taking mood in the risk complex. In the meantime, headlines from potential coronavirus vaccines, the economic recovery and trade geopolitical concerns on the US-China front remain the key drivers of the market's sentiment, all via their impact on the broad risk appetite trends in the US data space. Headline retail sales expanded at a monthly 7.5% in June, and the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index also surprised to the upside to 24.1 for the current month from June's 27.5. In addition, initial claims showed 1.3 million Americans filed for unemployment insurance benefits during last week, a tad above expected. Later in the docket, the NAHB index is due, seconded by business inventories, tick flows and speeches by FOMC S.J. Williams and C. Evans. What to look for around USD. The relentless advance of the COVID-19 pandemic in the US and across the world versus news of a potential vaccine that could be developed before markets' expectations, plus the ongoing reopening of global economies are all driving the sentiment in the global markets and keep the dollar under pressure. On the constructive view of the dollar, bouts of risk aversion should support the investor's preference for the greenback as a safe haven along with its status of global reserve currency and store of value. US dollar index relevant levels. At the moment, the index is gaining 0.01% at 96.04 and a break above 97.80 weekly high. June 30 would aim for 97.87, 61.8% Fibo of the 2017-2018 drop, and finally 98.21 200-day SMA. On the downside, the next support is located at 95.78 low July 15, seconded by 95.72 monthly low June 10, and then 94.65 2020 low March 9. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.